Hey guys, it's Chris Lamm. It's a market update for the month of May. I hope everyone's had a good spring so far. We're gonna go ahead and jump right in. The headlines in real estate currently, it's no different than it's been for a while. Prices rising, low inventory, and we would add to that rates going up a little bit over the last few months. So what does that really mean to home buyers that have been waiting all winter and they want to enter into the market this summer and find their home or their second home or whatever the case will be? I think it's a really good topic. First and foremost, I want to say that none of that is slowing down the housing market. We have, there's an all-time demand right now, pretty much nationwide, for people that are not wanting to rent because of the rising cost of rent and wanting to purchase a home. And rates going a little higher, prices being a little higher, for the most part, isn't slowing people down. But what about people that are wanting to buy in the affordable price range? Obviously, the affordable price range is a relative term depending on what market you're buying in. But here in Shasta County, we're really talking about people that are buying below 200 or maybe 200 to 250, and that price range is definitely more difficult to find homes. And so people that are being pre-approved to buy a house, that go out to look for homes in that price range, a lot of times are not excited about what they see, or when they find a house that is finally the match for them, they're finding out that there's 5 or 6 other families that are looking at that very same home. So there's a couple things to keep in mind. One of the common questions I get from people that are buying in that price range are, I want to maybe find a fixer-upper, I don't need to have the perfect house, and what kind of loans can I get? And it's important to think about a couple things when we look at homes that maybe are fixer-uppers or that need work to become the house that they want it to be. Number one, financing has some requirements that you want to keep in mind. Health and safety issues is number one. I'm going to put that on the screen over here. What does health and safety issues mean? Does that mean if it's a house that has broken windows, a broken deck, or trip hazards, anything that would cause a health and safety hazard to someone buying the home, it's something that could create challenges for financing. Number two, manufactured homes that are not on a permanent foundation. These types of properties cannot get financing most of the time going through conventional routes. So very important to keep that in mind. Now, if it's a manufactured home that does have a permanent foundation, you shouldn't have any problems. And if you have questions on that, you can always let us know. And then number three, homes that are outdated. Homes that are outdated are actually really good opportunities for someone to enter into the market, buy a house, get some of that what we call sweat equity, where you buy the house, you do your own painting, you change out the flooring. We're seeing a lot of people doing that. And so the next thing I want to kind of bring up is the types of financing that is available in the marketplace today, or the common types of loans that we're doing. We're going to start out with number one, conventional loans. Now, conventional loans is generally someone that has a down payment, they're going to buy a house with a conventional type of loan. Generally, someone that has a little bit of a higher credit score is going to target a conventional loan. The second type of loans that we have are government loans. Now, government loans are where we're going to have things like down payment assistance, FHA, VA, or the USDA guaranteed loan, where you can buy a house outside of the city limits generally with no money down in many cases. So this is also a really good option. And then the last type of loan we're going to talk about is construction loans or renovation loans. Now, construction loan is for someone that wants to build a house. Maybe they're looking around, they're not quite finding what they want, so they want to look at what it would look like to go out and build their own house on their own property. It's becoming more and more popular today, with prices being where they're at, and it's a great option. And the other one is a renovation loan. Now, this is a loan where someone buys a property, financing in the cost of sometimes major renovations to get that home to become what they want it to be, and financing it through the process of the loan. So if this is helpful for you, if you guys have any questions about it, feel free to give me a call here at the office. We're also going to be hosting a home buyers workshop sometime towards the end of May. I'm going to put the date up here on the screen. And this is somewhere where we're going to cover all of these topics and much, much more. The types of properties that are out there, different types of loans, how to get qualified, investing in real estate, and a lot of other topics. So if you're interested in that, you can email me as well. Other than that, that's it for this month. Obviously, if you guys ever need anything, you can reach me here at the office. Thank you so much to my past clients that sent me referrals last month. We got quite a few of them, and we're super grateful. Have a great day.